Let's head to the kitchen, shall we? To begin with, gather a pound of medium shrimp, peeled and deveined. Season them with half a teaspoon of salt and a quarter teaspoon of black pepper. Heat a tablespoon of olive oil in a skillet over medium heat, then cook the shrimp until pink. 2 to 3 minutes per side should do the trick. Once cooled, chop these into bite-sized pieces. Now it's time to bring in the flavor. In the same skillet, combine finely 1 chopped onion, 1 diced bell pepper, and 2 cloves minced garlic. Sauté until the vegetables are soft. Add a teaspoon of ground cumin, half a teaspoon of chili powder, and a cup of chopped fresh spinach. Cook until the spinach wilts and then mix in the chopped shrimp. Next, let's prepare the enchilada sauce. Melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a saucepan. Whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to create a roux, then gradually whisk in a cup of chicken broth until smooth. Once the mixture thickens, remove it from heat and stir in a cup of sour cream, 1 4-oz can of diced green chilies, half a teaspoon of salt, and a quarter teaspoon of black pepper. Spread a thin layer of sauce at the bottom of a 9 by 13 inch baking dish. Fill each 8-inch flour tortilla with the shrimp and vegetable mixture. Sprinkle some Monterey Jack cheese. Roll up and place seam side down in the dish. Pour the remaining sauce over the top. Sprinkle with the remaining cheese and bake in a preheated 375-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until the cheese is bubbly and slightly golden. Finish off with a garnish of fresh chopped cilantro. And there you have it, easy shrimp enchiladas. Serve them with a side of rice, beans, or a fresh salad for a complete meal that's sure to impress. Remember, cooking is an art and you're the artist. Feel free to play around with the ingredients and make this recipe your own. Enjoy your culinary journey and the delicious results. Bon appétit!